Every year, independent hotels across India pay up to 25% commission to OTAs. Booking.com, MakeMyTrip, Goibibo. They get bookings, but they lose the guest. No name, no number, no relationship. Ravi searches Google for a hotel in Coorg. He finds one, not on an OTA, but directly on the hotel's own page. He taps WhatsApp. In seconds, he's talking to the HotelMate, the hotel's AI concierge. Before Ravi confirms his booking, the HotelMate's guest trust protocol runs silently. 9 machine learning models assess booking intent, fraud risk, and guest value. The hotel sees a verified guest profile, not just a reservation number. 48 hours before arrival, Ravi receives a personalized pre-check-in link on WhatsApp. His preferences are captured. On arrival day, no queue, no form. Ravi walks straight to his room. After checkout, a 5-star review is automatically requested and posted to Google. Ravi receives a personalized offer for his next direct booking. The OTA gets nothing. The hotel keeps everything. For every hotel on the HotelMate, direct bookings recover up to 6 lakh rupees annually in lost commission. Every guest profile is owned by the hotel. OTA dependency falls systematically, and AI-driven upsells, spa, dining, transfers, are captured automatically on WhatsApp. The HotelMate is not a standalone app. It is a plug-in layer, connecting to the hotel's existing website, WhatsApp business account, and Book One booking engine. One unified guest communication channel from the moment of discovery to the moment of checkout. Independent and mid-segment hotels have no direct relationship with their guests. The HotelMate establishes it. One AI concierge. Every guest. Entire stay.